Leet code 25, reverse nodes in K group. Given the head of a linked list, reverse the nodes of the list K at a time and return the modified list. K is a positive integer and is less than or equal to the length of the list. If the number of nodes is not a multiple of K, then left out nodes, and then should remain as is. You may not alter the values in list nodes, only nodes themselves may be changed. Okay, so we need a function that will reverse a list of K size. So we're going to need a current and a previous, and while we're not at the end, well, the current.next, well, the current.next equal to the previous, and the previous equal to current, and that way we flip the pointers around, and we can update .next and return the previous, which is now a reversed K list, and then we'll have our result equal new list node. Result dot next is equal to the list we receive, and we'll have a previous group equal to result, and then while true we loop through, find the kth node in our current set that we're going to reverse. And then here's our base case for the while loop. If there is no .next, like if we don't reach the end of this for loop, that means the size is not the size of K, and we can return the result. Otherwise, K.next, rebuild that list. And then so our next group is going to be equal to K.next, and the start is going to be equal to the previous group .next, and then we reverse based on the start and group .next. Well, this is the start of the next group, and this is the current group. So while it's not the end, we can reverse and group the previous group .next. We relink to Kate, and group start .next is equal to the next group. Right. And then our previous group is going to equal to group start, like so. And then all that rebuild as we go through. Awesome. Holy cow, people have space efficient solutions. And then we can do the same in Python. Start while cur does not equal end. Our next is equal to cur.next, and cur.next is going to be equal to previous, and previous is going to equal to the current, and current is going to equal to next. Return previous, and then we'll have a result equal to list node result next equals 10, and then group previous is going to equal to result while true, kth is going to equal to group previous. For, we don't even use I. We can do this underscore in Python. For in range k. If not, dot next. We can return it. Result dot next. Otherwise, we move k along. And then we have our next group. Starts at k.next. And group start is equal to the previous group dot next. And then we can reverse the array, reverse the list. Group start, group previous. Oh wait, no. Group next is the end. And then group previous dot next is equal to kth. And group start dot next is equal to the next group. And group previous is equal to group start. %. Holy cow, 38%. Wow, I wonder what's more efficient in Python. In any case, I'm just practicing Python. Syntax and knowledge. So, there's reverse nodes in K group.